Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now this video is literally dedicated to Ayanda Thabethe and her now husband Peter. We just want to say congratulations to her and her man. They've been together for a very longest time. They have two beautiful boys together, and this is the first time Ayanda Tabet is posting her man's face. We've been seeing rumors but personally she has never posted her husband or her boyfriend at the time. She's never posted his face. He only posted, the things, the luxury things that he did for her, like the king of Rolls Royce. I don't know how many Rolls Royce this guy has, but he is filthy rich, and we wish them all the best. And that's their two beautiful boys. Oh my gosh, shame, hey. Like, I am so happy for her. Congratulations. We wish her a very fruitful and a long term marriage. May they always be happy. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.